Let 3 comma a comma b comma c are in AP. 3 a minus 1 b plus 1 c plus 9 are in GP. Find the arithmetic mean of ABC. Options are minus 4, minus 1, 13, 11. A simple JEA question involving AP and GP. Let's see how to go about. 3 comma a comma b comma c. 3 comma a comma b comma c are in AP. If you get 4 terms in AP, the first 3 are in AP and the last 3 are also in AP. So I get the first relation as twice the middle term is equal to sum of the first and the third. So that is nothing but 2a minus b is equal to 3. This is my equation 1. Similarly, last 3 are in AP. So I get 2b is equal to a plus c. This is my equation 2. Then we are given 3 comma a minus 1 comma b plus 1 comma c plus 9 are in GP. That means the first 3 terms are in GP. The last 3 terms are in GP. If 3 terms are in GP, the square of the middle term is equal to product of first and the third. This is our relation number 3. Last 3 are in GP gives me another relation. The square of the middle term, namely b plus 1 the whole square, is equal to a minus 1 into c plus 9. So actually we have 4 relations, but there are only 3 unknowns, so we can solve them. So first let us solve equation 1 and 3 because both involve a relation between a and b. So from equation 1, we can write 2a minus 3 is equal to b and use this in the third relation. So the third becomes a minus 1 the whole square is equal to 3 times b plus 1. If b is equal to 2a minus 3, b plus 1 is going to become 2a minus 2. So now open the bracket. So this gives me a square minus 2a plus 1 is equal to 6a minus 6. So I get a square minus 8a plus 7 is equal to 0. So this can be factorized as a minus 7 into a minus 1 is equal to 0 gives me a is equal to 7 or a is equal to 1. But you can see that a minus 1, 3, a minus 1, b plus 1, c plus 9 are in GP. So let us find the values of b. When a is equal to 7, b is equal to 2a minus 3, 14 minus 3, so we get b is equal to 11. When a is equal to 1, we get b is equal to minus 1. But you can see in these 3 terms, 3 comma a minus 1 comma b plus 1 comma c plus 9 are in GP. If you put a is equal to 1, this will become 3 comma 0 comma 0. Or let us also find out the value of c. Let's go to the next slide. We have 2 sets of values. A is equal to 7 or a is equal to 1. The corresponding values of b are b is equal to 11 or comma b is going to be minus 1. Let us also get the value of c. 2b is equal to a plus c. So 2b is equal to a plus c. So 22 is equal to 7 plus c. This gives me c is equal to 15. 2b is equal to a plus c. So minus 2 is equal to 1 plus c. This gives me c is equal to minus 3. So we have 2 sets of values. Let's have a look at this statement because we have not used up this result. That is, these 3 terms are in a GP is what we have not used. Let me write down that 3 comma a minus 1 comma b plus 1 comma what is the fourth term, c plus 9. C plus 9 are in GP. This we have not used fully because the fourth relation we have not used. Let us verify this. When you put A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to minus 3, this becomes 3 comma 0 comma 0 comma 6 are in GP. But you can see that if 3 comma 0 comma 0 is a GP means common ratio is 0. So common ratio is 0 means the fourth term should also be 0. But the fourth term is 6. That means this is not possible. That means a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 3 cannot be taken as values of ABC for these relations to hold good. That means the values of ABC are a is equal to 7, b is equal to 11, c is equal to 15. They have asked us for the arithmetic mean of ABC, that is 7 plus 11 plus 15 divided by 3, which is going to be 26 and 33. 33 divided by 3, 33 divided by 3, which is equal to 11. They have asked us to find out the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is going to be 11, which is nothing but option D is the right answer. Slightly tricky question because you need to reject the value of A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to minus 3. Why am I using this result to verify which values of ABC should be taken? Means we get actually four relations involving only three variables. We have used relation 1, we have used relation 3, we have used relation 2, we have not used relation 4. That means I have not used this GP fully. I have not used A minus 1, B plus 1, C plus 9 are in GP. That is what has given us this. When I substitute A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1, and the value of C is equal to minus 3, I am getting these three terms to be equal to 0, 0, 6, which is not a GP. So whenever we are having less number of variables and more number of equations, we are likely to get some extra values for ABC, which needs to be verified by taking the relation that we have not used in getting the values of ABC. So the answer to this question is 11 is the arithmetic mean. So the option is option D.